The need for constant conversation, connection and correspondence has led to a velocity of information. Communication revolution has brought in a sense of urgency, and the shift from human to electronic density is a reality. Communication is the fiber in the harmony of life. Constant, relentless, ever-expanding in large scale of intermesh systems. The whole world is a perfect pandemonium, and the din of feedback loop will not subside. To adapt to this quickening pace, Microqual Techno Limited entered the world telecom market in the year 1999. If you can dream it, then you can have it. With this powerful thought, Microqual was founded to satisfy customers, offering made-in-India products that quickly made the company one of India's leading total products and service provider of end-to-end infrastructure solutions for telecom sector. Microqual provides complete telecom infrastructure services with expertise in engineering and commissioning of telecom sites. To complete the cycle, Microqual delivers quality managed services, operations and maintenance, both for active and passive elements at the site. Our manufacturing plants at Aurangabad and China use the latest manufacturing technology, resulting in state-of-the-art output. However, this is just the beginning. Our culture of continuous innovation strives to leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower clients by creating solutions. Power Tower is a unique innovation that gives faster, greener, smarter and a more reliable site by completely eliminating a diesel generator for backup power, resulting in maintenance-free power transformer using smart power, which is significantly higher reliability compared to traditional approach with reliable OPGW backhaul and faster time to market. Microqual proudly presents one such history-making site at Kolar. Microqual offers hybrid power solutions that are renewable, installed within hours and operate for years with little or no maintenance fuel or logistics. This solution, along with integrated monitoring and management solution, helps optimize power consumption and significantly reduces operational costs with shorter ROI period. Increased demand for wireless coverage puts a strain on the macro network. Get focused coverage through distributed antenna system. Active DAS gives greater coverage and capacity at lower cost. The solution of BTS hoteling or connecting remote antennas to centrally located BTS electronics has also worked wonders, along with the use of fiber media to provide cellular coverage indoors as well as outdoors. Microqual understands client needs to conceal their wireless infrastructure and provides cell tower concealment and camouflage solutions in the most innovative manner. Multi-port antenna system gives better focus and wider coverage, providing multi-directional platform for sharing multi-band and multi-operators. Microqual allows you the multiple benefits of all-in-one. Microqual Project Management System, an online portal that manages customer projects, offering the client ease of information on a dashboard. The portal shows real-time everything about a site, offering transparency, updates and interaction to facilitate each project from status to milestone. Microqual, an ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 company that has been rated amongst top 20 fastest growing technology companies in India. Our global expansion strategies now see our presence in Nepal, Bangladesh, China, Middle East, West and East Africa and Europe. Our reach extends across the globe as we supply men, material and intelligence for global network projects. Microqual, truly creating value beyond connectivity.